First, MEP systems were designed using pencil and paper. Then AutoCAD provided engineers with a tool to digitally design technical building installations. Then CAD turned 3D. Now it is all about BIM, Building Information Modeling. But what exactly is BIM? BIM is an intelligent model-based process for planning, designing, building and managing buildings and infrastructure. More than just 3D or 2D objects, BIM uses objects that have intelligence, geometry and data. If an element is changed, BIM software coordinates the change in all views that display that element, because they are all views of the same underlying information. Architects, MEP engineers, contractors and building managers can all work more collaboratively, accessing and updating the design. But what makes BIM really exciting is what you can do with all the information in the model. The power of BIM lies in the information. At any point in the life cycle of the project, the information is there, accurate to help reduce time-consuming errors and rework, accessible by all project stakeholders for better communication, and actionable to help form your decision-making with simulation analysis and commercial data. MEPcon introduces 3D content for its products on the MEPcontent platform, allowing engineers to design high-quality technical installations with MEPcon products in BIM projects. The 3D content provides engineers with all the information you need to seamlessly integrate the products into your MEP systems, easily create material schedules, find online technical information, or connect to your preferred wholesaler. A lot of MEPcon product types can be downloaded from the library for use Revit and AutoCAD. Start upgrading your project today with accurate MEPcon products. Create your free account now on www.mepcontent.com.